you ever wondered that you can make your Windows 10 PC look like Windows 11 PC? So, here I am planned with few steps that might help your PC look like Windows 11 and more importantly without any software or theme. So first of all, let's enter the taskbar icons. Now right click on the taskbar. I'm removing the curtain and the task view icons as I don't use them much. Now I make the search box look minimal, making it an icon. Let me now enable the links from toolbars and also most importantly unlock the taskbar. After doing so, you'll get two lines in front of links. Drag it towards the start menu. Then drag the app icons towards the center of the taskbar. Now to remove the links, right click between the links and the apps. You should be able to find the show title option to disable it. Finally, lock the taskbar. Go to settings, personalization, themes, and then you'll find desktop icon settings to click on. Now a pop-up will show the settings. Click on the this PC and then change icon. Use the icon given by me in the comment section. Click on OK, apply, and again OK. Pin File Explorer on the taskbar and then right click on it. You should be able to see another File Explorer option. Click on it and go to Properties. Click on Change icon and use the File Explorer icon given by me. Click on OK. To see the change, remove the File Explorer from the taskbar and again open it. I've got few wallpapers in the description. If you want, you can download them and enjoy it. First of all, download the sounds from the description. Open Settings, Personalization, Themes. And then click on Sound. Now you can click on the sound option and browse for the sounds in the folder sounds given by me. The same thing as the sounds pop-up. Apply and click OK. I've made the scheme already, so I use them often.